I grew up in a very poor environment. Although not necessarily everybody in that village assisted me to grow, I think it is just better that at some point I also assist directly people of my village, particularly the children, kids, and because many of them, while government has done so well over the last 34 years, many of these kids are undergoing the very same problems I underwent because of poverty. I asked the headman, who turned out to be Donateni's father, to provide me with the list of houses at my village where I grew up. I'm no more there in my own house, but my mother is there. And I was given a list of 103 houses. 103 houses. And I made a commitment that I will make a donation of 103,000. 103,000 to these houses. In other words, each house will be receiving cash of 1,000. 1,000 per house, and this money will be meant for kids in those houses, so that comes January when they go to school, they have shoes, they have school uniforms, and they are not going to